Individual profiling. Our target may be an individual or an organization, which paves the way to collecting their respective profiles. Fixing an individual as the target, the thrust falls immediately in framing the target's social profile, where the vital thing is to find how people call the individual, which may be his or her pet name or nickname. Next comes finding the way to contact the individual, which is primarily via the email ID. Look at social networking sites and communities such as Facebook, Twitter, Google Groups, MySpace, About.me, Netlog, Badoo, Orkut, Meetup, High5, and Tagged. These reveal the name, email ID, and also the likes and interests of an individual. Not many are aware of the information that they post on their Facebook wall. Looks of the target individual can be extracted, and by tracking the status messages of the individual, which includes the physical location of the places they loiter, a physical attack on the target individual can be launched. Google Groups provide a shared user interface that allows threaded conversations among like-minded people. Meetup differs from other social networking sites in a way that facilitates offline group meetings, which provide a way to interact with people unified with common interests. People search websites to help in locating the physical address of the target individual. Such sites include 411.com, Anywho, Yellow Pages, peoplefinders.com, personlookup.com.au, PeakU, PeopleSmart, People, Zabasearch, and 192.com. 192.com reveals the physical location of the individual along with the phone number of people residing in the UK, whereas Zabasearch is yet another website that allows a person to acquire the location of an individual in the US. Believing that the target individual is the only source to gather information is not a good idea. Finding the house inmates or the target's close associates, that is, relatives, make the job easier. Family-tree.co.uk is a website that allows tracking information about the people in the UK, and the website search.ancestry.com allows tracking the very same information for people in and around European countries. There are times when you might have arrived at a phone number but not the name of the target, or vice versa. In this case, Truecaller, a telephone lookup and reverse lookup directory, can lend a helping hand. Retro-sleuth.com is yet another website offering the same service.